Hell
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie. Today we got a quick little video. It's just the installation or the assembly of the WezTeck. If you're watching this now, you can go to my other video that should be up, and it's my full review of the WezTeck and a little bit of usage. You open the box. This what kind of comes in it. Nothing crazy, just the basics. You got 3 different guards, which one is the 0 to the 2 guard, and then 2 to the 4, then 4 to the 6. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike. This here is your main guard that you'll be using, is the 0 to the 2 for most people anyway, if you're going to be using the WezTeck. And here is the 2 to the 4, and then a 4 to the 6. And again, like I said, it's not a lot that comes in it. It's just the basic. I could not get that blade out. Here you got the moving their cutting blade that I did not use. I used a ceramic blade on my my clippers. I swapped it out on to the JRL 2020C. As you can see, struggling to get that out. And here's the blade. Zoom in a little bit. As you can see, the notches on there. You got the 0.5, 1.5 to the 2. On the other side is basically, but the notches and the ridges is what give it that extra length when you're cutting and using the guard that they have that comes with it. And we're gonna swap it to the JRL 2020C. It is not hard at all. I just wanted to show the installation on my end. It's pretty much you taking these 2 screws off and you screwing that blade on. If you've swapped the blade out before, it's pretty much the same process, which most of us have done. And you don't have to use any different screws. You just make sure that you pushing the blade down, and you know you can use the screws, whichever blade or whichever screws that come on your clipper that you're using. Again, not a hard swap. This is something good for the industry, in the sense of something new. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to see people trying something new, whether it's this, the blur guard, the easy clips, the Tune 45 power charging box, the crazy good. Like, it's always good to see, you know, people with the mindset and the ability to try things out. And once you got it set how you want it, you put the screws back in, make sure they're screwed in tight, set your blade how you're gonna cut it or how you're gonna use it. I pretty much zero gapped it, not zero, but yeah, pretty much zero gapped it. And then once it's on, it's on. Like I said, it's like an easy swap, and that's how it is. I wish, and y'all will see on my review, I wish they kind of, not wish, I should have tried it more on a balding clipper, something without the lever on it. That would have been a little bit easier, but on here you can see it got the ridges on it. I should have had more light for this video as well. But you can see it had the ridges on the side, and you pretty much just slide the blade on. It's nothing tough at all. And then that's pretty much how it operates. It cuts down. I mean, you switch it to the left, it goes down, and to the right, it opens it up. And that's just pretty much how you cut. You cut from the 0 all the way up to the 2, and again swap the blade. And we're gonna just listen to how it sound a bit. It doesn't change the sound at all until it gets up to the 2. Once it's fully open, it has a little rattle to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is me just swapping to the 2 to 4 guard, just kind of, you know, swapping it out. To take this off, you want to hold I had trouble in the beginning taking the blade off, but what you want to do is hold that notch at the bottom over to one side and then just slide the blade off. At first, I didn't know that. I was kind of struggling to get it off, and I kind of, you know, was going, as you can, if I got it in here, but you kind of, but yeah, you just hold it to the right and then slide it off. I was going through it and at the beginning didn't know, but you just hold that all the way to one side and just slide it off. But that's the WezTeck. If you're interested to see what I think about it, the video should be up on my, on my channel, the full review. Yeah, that's it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Peace.